Hey everybody, this is Paul over at Just Rig It Manufacturing, or JRI Manufacturing. I want to talk to you about these backer plates that we're creating with K&K Customs. It's for a Quest trolling motor in order for you to get your version of forward-facing sonar onto the Quest. All these are backer plates where you will remove your factory backer plate, whether it's from an active target or a live scope, either way. And then you're going to replace it with this so that it fits the Quest right. The big thing on a Quest is a Quest has 3 square sides and then a round front. So if you're using perspective modes, you're only going to use one backer plate. You're going to put it on the back of the trolling motor like so. And then you're going to have your live scope that's going to mount on the round part of the shaft on the front, just like it does on your trolling motor now. We send the bolts, the nuts, the washers that are needed for each different one and each different application. Certain products require nuts, some don't, because you already have your built-in nut certs in your live scope setup. I want to show you the differences here real quick. This is for an LVS 32. It's a little bit smaller of a setup. Each one of these will have rubber inside when they're shipped to you with the nuts and washers. These don't, and we're just using them for show purposes. For a forward down setup, the big difference is these are going to get mounted sideways. What it does is it allows you to clamp flat on each surface, and then your live scope will go on this side here, or this side, depending on which side you want it on. It gives you both applications. Active target is the only one you don't have that application accessible to, because there's only one style of mount. It's always going to use this backer plate. It's always going to go on the back, and active target or active target 2 will always mount towards the front shaft. The only difference between an LVS 32 and an LVS 34 is size for us. If you order perspective, you're going to get one plate and the bolts that fit it accordingly. If you order forward down, you're going to get your 2 plates, 2 side plates again. This has the rubber in it, so you can see the difference. They lock on. Once you tighten them down, they don't go anywhere. You do not have to tighten these hard. Just make them snug. The big difference is if you over tighten these and then you hit something, it's going to snap. If you build it out of metal, it's not going to snap, but it's going to snap somewhere else, like the transducer. So we design these things so that they have some compression to them, so that they don't come loose. They've got the rubber in them so that they hold securely without you having to over tighten them. So just make them snug enough that it doesn't wiggle and it doesn't move and it doesn't vibrate. If you have any other questions, give us a shout. We'll gladly help you out.